Am I the only one that didn't know cracking knuckles isn't harmful? Let's dig into it. We've all heard that cracking your knuckles can lead to arthritis or long-term damage, but is there any truth to it? The sound you hear isn't bones grinding, thankfully. It's actually gas bubbles popping in the fluid of your joints. Studies have shown that there's no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. One scientist even cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years. Guess what? No difference between his hands. Turns out this habit might be annoying, but it's not harmful. So, no need to worry. Crack away. For more myth-busting facts, hit subscribe and follow InfoByteLab. See you next time.